Hello everyone, wherever you are in this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem on your Twitch application on your phone. Just follow me in this video step by step till the end. So first, you don't need to open your Twitch. You just need to go and open the settings of your device. Then here you will find, like as you can see, a list. Go to apps option. So you found all the applications that you have already on your phone. So you will search just only for Twitch. Open it when you found it and go to storage. But here guys, be careful, don't click on clear data, click just on clear cache. I used it before, that's why I can't click on it right now. Then go back and click on force stop. Also, I used it before, that's why I can't click. Then go to battery, allow it on optimized mode as you can see that as I'm doing. Then go to permission, give them all this, allow it, camera, files and media, microphone. Then you have to go to your Play Store and check that your Twitch is updated on the last version. Then go and restart your phone. So that's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.